all, welcome to another video of Live the Day Holidays. Today, join us for the journey through Tall Trees, one of the best nature-friendly resorts in Munnar.
As you arrive at Tall Tree, warm hospitality awaits you. Check-in is seamless, ensuring your vacation begins with comfort. Discover the diverse accommodations, from cozy and well-maintained rooms to spacious villas, each designed to exceed your expectations and experience. The restaurant offers a blend of local flavors and international cuisine served in stunning settings. Experience the essence of luxury and adventure with Live the Day Holidays, where every moment is crafted to make your stay unforgettable.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video and visit Tall Trees soon with Live the Day Holidays. Thank you.